In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the two easiest ways to sell AI and automation to businesses. In other words, what I want to show you is how to earn $998 per day or more with B2B SaaS. Now, this video is not going to be one of those corny videos where I show you how to click a button in ChatGPT, copy and paste some content, and upsell it to another company. Instead, what I want to show you is how to earn $998 commissions on autopilot from work that software does. In other words, how to make money with bots by clicking buttons. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan. If you haven't already, click the red button down below if you want to see more videos about making money with AI. Now, one of the reasons that people like my content is because I break it down and keep it really simple. And so to that end, if you're one of the people who likes to learn without all the fluff that I have to throw in here on YouTube to get people to watch the videos, then you are going to want to check out my school community. I'll link this down below, or you could just head to profitablebots.com. It'll give you a shortcut to come here and join our community where you can actually connect with me, get help from me, and connect with the other people in the group. So today's video is actually in response to a question from somebody in my school community here. Randy Copland asked, what is the best product to sell AI and automation to businesses? So that's what I want to get into here in this video. Real quick, I want to break down exactly what we're going to be selling here. So we're going to be selling SaaS, that software as a service, and a lot of people want to know how that works. So I'm just going to draw it out here. Basically, what we're going to be selling them is a super simple system that is going to save them a lot of time and potentially money. And that system starts with something that's called an opt-in page. This is a simple page. It has a box where somebody can enter their email address and a button where they can get more information about whatever the product or service is, right? So we'll have a little message on this page saying, hey, there's this cool thing. And then what happens is, so we're going to have our customer, the business, drive all of their traffic to this one page. Now, the reason we are going to do that is because most of the time when people see a company's website, they bounce. They look at it for a few seconds and then they leave. So no matter how much traffic you have a lot of people leaving the page. So what we're going to do with AI and automation is solve that problem for them by creating a sequence of automated emails that are going to go out to subscribers, right? So all of the traffic, whether they're advertising with paid ads or they're creating content on social media, right? All that company's efforts are going to go into this one page. So in order to prevent bouncing, or even if people bounce, what we want to do is get them over here to the sales page, to what makes them money. So what these automated emails do for your client is multiply the chance of making a sale, right? So the person's going to opt in, they're going to see this offer, and then like I said, there's a good chance they're going to bounce the first couple times they see it. But on a daily basis, we can send these people emails that bring them back to this page that makes the company money. So if you can set up something like this for a company, and by the way, it doesn't take long to set up one of these systems at all. The landing page here is going to take you maybe a half an hour to an hour. And then what's cool is we can actually write all of these emails using AI. I'm sure you've seen videos about copying and pasting ChatGPT content. So that is part of the process, but it's a very small part of the process, and it's something we're going to use to, again, increase the likelihood of our clients making a sale. So what I want to do now is show you the exact steps that you can follow to make all this happen. So like I said, if you want to skip all the fluff and get serious about this, head to profitablebots.com and join the school community. And then the next step, if you're just ready to get started right now, is to choose whether you want to sell SaaS, which is do it yourself. You're basically going to be selling software that your clients can use to set up their own business, or whether you want to set up a manual service. So the difference is, obviously, a manual service is going to be a little bit more work intensive, but you'll be able to customize the offer quite a bit more. So I'll go through both methods. Here's the first way: do it yourself. If you want to just sell SaaS directly to businesses, the first thing you want to do is choose a software and become an affiliate. So again, to answer Randy's question, he asked, what are what's the best product to sell AI and automation to businesses. And like I said, it's one of these simple funnels here that you can set up for them. And so here are three of my favorite tools for doing that. High level is by far the most popular. It's also kind of the most expensive, not only with the sign up fees to register to use the software once the free trial expires, but then also with the emails and messages that you send out. It is pricey, but it is great. It's probably the best one you can use. The next one I'd recommend is ClickFunnels. Again, great funnel builder and CRM software. Again, not the cheapest. It's going to run you like $297 a month. As far as I know, they might have a cheap for a while. They had a $97 version. I'm not sure, but what I want to show you is my favorite is at funnelsforever.com. If you come to funnelsforever.com, not only can you try this software free, whereas these other two just had a 2-week trial period, here you can get a free account that doesn't expire. The only difference is after 30 days, the features get limited quite a bit, but that's okay. The reason I like this software, even though I would place it lowest on the list as far as like usefulness and quality of these three versions, the reason I like this is because they have this premium lifetime plan, which means you can pay $2,497 and own this software for life, which means you'll be able to create unlimited funnels, you'll be able to have unlimited contacts and unlimited emails. And so over time, if you're serious about this, this can save you a tremendous amount of money, because if you're paying $297 per month, well, that's over $3,000 per year. So with this is less than the cost of one of these other two that you'd be paying for a year. You can have this one for life. So that's already a no-brainer. On top of that, if you get the lifetime account, they give you 40% commissions as an affiliate, which means when you set up one of these simple systems, again, that you could set up in over the course of an hour or two, well, then every time you make a sale here, you will be getting 40%. That's almost half of the money from the sale. Whereas obviously the company then gets the 60%, so that's going to go to the company that made the product, and the 40% is going to go to you. And that is exactly how I was able to earn commissions like this of $998 in a single day from somebody clicking one button and purchasing a $2,497 product. So again, the way you are going to actually make sales on this is driving traffic to a simple page, which is then going to resend this affiliate link to somebody over and over and over again. So that's kind of the easy way, the do-it-yourself way, where your clients can register for the SaaS product and use it on their own. So the second thing I want to show you is how to set up a manual service, or done for you. This is a little bit more hands-on, but I've still automated it to a point where I think you'll be able to copy what I'm doing and set this up for yourself if you want to. So the steps are pretty much the same, with only the first one being different. Instead of choosing a software and becoming an affiliate, which you may still want to do because you're going to need to use this automation software, but the first step is to just set up automations you can clone with a few clicks. So obviously that could be one of these email funnels, but what I want to show you is what I've set up. And that is here's a basic funnel. This is a 3-page funnel I have here, and I'll just show you how this works. So first, I offer a free training, and when people watch this free training, I explain that if they send me $1, I will give them a spreadsheet that will automate their video content for 30 days. So basically, they just have to click a few buttons. They get a copy of this spreadsheet and the link to the tool to upload it to. They upload the spreadsheet into the tool, and then suddenly they have a video posted every day to their account, an AI video for the next 30 days. So that's pretty much a no-brainer offer, because these are the exact videos that I use to generate tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. So once they decide that they want a month's worth of AI video content for $1, the next page I show them is this page, where I offer to upload all of the videos, all of the short videos I create from my own account. I offer to create an automation that's going to post them to their accounts as well. So literally each video I create that gets me hundreds or thousands of views is going to get uploaded directly to their account, which means they can get traffic without having to get on camera, without having to learn video editing, pay for multiple software subscriptions, worry about scheduling content. They don't have to be creative. They don't have to spend hours online. They literally just click a few buttons, and suddenly I'm posting videos to their account every day, which are getting them hundreds, if not thousands, of followers that they can then sell products to and earn thousands of dollars. And again, all they have to do for this, for the last one, all they had to do is download a spreadsheet and upload it into a tool. With this one, I've kept it just as simple. All they have to do is go to their Facebook page, to the settings, and grant me access to manage their page, and then I will post a video for them every day. So assuming they take this offer, I then offer to take it up a level and add my auto sales chatbot to this whole system for them. And basically, I don't have a bunch of graphics for this, but basically I use ManyChat, and let me see here if I can find the automation here for you. I use ManyChat, and I have this automation that sends out a message on autopilot. So basically, when somebody clicks on when somebody comments or interacts with one of the videos that gets posted, then they get an automatic message sent to their account saying, hey, come check out this link. So basically, the system runs the same as this, only instead of these emails, these are Facebook messages that are going out to the people instead of emails. So hopefully that makes it clear. And so obviously the next step is to set up a basic funnel to sell this. So that's what I just showed you here. You'll just need to set up a funnel just like I have here, a simple low ticket offer, and then something for mid ticket. And then, you know, you can raise this price as high as you want. I keep these super cheap. I think to get the entire automation set up is $100 to get it set up, and then it's even less than that each month right now. Now that's not going to last long. The more people who sign up for this, the more the price goes up. So if that's something you're interested in, having your video content automated for you, then you're going to want to head to videonuke.com. So other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, click the red subscribe button down below so that you could see more content like this in the future. If you want to see it right away, be sure to click the bell icon so you get notifications on your phone. And other than that, I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.